Hey guys, we're just going outside right now. I think it's wonderful outside today. Apart from me being here. This is 2.5 days of 3 outside. And I'm still wearing shorts, if you might exact. But, it really doesn't matter, though. Because what we're doing this with, it's not really the way you explain to yourself. But it's how I explain. First rule. My phone's about to go dead, so I'm going to have to charge it when I get back inside. Second rule of it. It's hard to do stuff and you don't have the right equipment. It's basically hard to do everything. When I say everything, I mean everything. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a glove, kind of hurt my hand a little bit on the inside of this. It's fine. It is definitely fine. I mean, look at this view, though. That is one nice view. It's a nice view, though. To be honest with it. And I will see you next time.